Good morning, children. Let's continue Science Lesson 13, Force and Energy. In the previous class, children, we started the topic simple machines. We have dealt with the topic lever and wheel and axle. Today we will deal with the other different types of simple machines. Let's start with the topic pulley. A pulley is a grooved wheel with a rope running through it. The wheel rotates around a stationary axle. At one end of the rope, the load is attached, while on the other end, the effort is applied. A pulley can be of two types. Number one is the fixed pulley. Here, children, in this picture, you can see that the axle, it is attached to a support. The support may be either a hook or a wall. So it makes the work easier by changing the direction of the force applied. So some examples of this fixed pulley is to be used in wells and on flagpoles. Another type of pulley is a movable pulley. In a movable pulley, the axle is not fixed to any kind of support. The movable pulleys are used along with the fixed pulleys to reduce the effort. So, for example, a crane uses both the fixed and the movable pulleys to lift heavy loads. The another type of simple machines are inclined plane. An inclined plane is a simple machine with a flat surface, one end of which is higher than the other. It takes less force to move an object up along an inclined plane than it does to lift it straight up. Some examples are slides in a park, ramp in a hospital. Even the sloping roads are examples of inclined plane. Another type of simple machine is a wedge. When two inclined planes meet at a pointed end, a wedge is formed. These wedges are often used in a device that split open an object. Pushing the wedge in one direction creates a force in a sideways directions. As you can see in the picture, children, the cutting edge of a knife and the head of an axe is a wedge. Swinging the axe into a log can split the log apart. So, children, a wedge is used to push apart two objects. It is used to cut and it is used to split also. Next comes the screw. A screw is a simple machine which is actually an inclined plane that winds around a rod to form a spiral. Or a screw is a curved slope which is wrapped around a cylinder. When we join things together with a screw, they are held together through a long distance and thus cannot be forced apart easily. Nuts and bolts, a dentist chair, a bottle or toothpaste cap and a screw jack are all examples of screws. So children, we have finished the topic of simple machines. Your assignment is to read the explained topic nicely. Thank you.